Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your homemade coconut milk. And for this coconut milk, we're going to be using 2 coconuts to make our homemade coconut milk. So I'm going to start by getting a knife to carefully use the sides to hit my coconut side by side. And when doing this, please make sure no one is close to you so any little particle will not jump out from the coconut shell and hit someone on their eyes. So you can see my coconut is wide open after making sure I carefully hit it with the side of my knife side by side till it gets weak and open up. So that's how you can open your coconut at home. So when I'm done opening my coconut, I will get my baking rolling pin and I will use it to hit my coconut. You can use anything that you know is heavy that can hit the coconut shell to hit it up. So I'm just using my rolling pin, which is the heaviest thing I know I have in my kitchen, and I'm going to use it to hit my coconut until the shell gets weak, and I will carefully use my knife to take the shell off the coconut. So you can see how simple that is. So when I'm done taking off the shell from the coconut, I'm going to wash the coconut to take off any dirt from it, as the shell of the coconut have some dirt on it. So I'm just going to wash it and get my chopping board and use my knife to start chopping it into little bit to help my blender to work it up. So when I'm done chopping the coconut, I'm going to get my blender and I will start blending my coconut. So that's all my coconut chopped already, and I'm going to start by putting it bit by bit inside my blender, and I will add enough water to cover up the coconut in my blender. So I will start by using the pause button to break the coconut, and then I will blend it into a smooth paste so I can extract enough coconut milk from the blended coconut. Now I am done blending the first batch. I'm going to get my sieve and I will sieve the coconut shaft away from the coconut milk. So I'm just using my spatula to carefully help me to squeeze out all the excess coconut milk from the shaft. So right now, as you can see, I still have enough juice on the shaft. I'm going to add a little more water and I will blend again the second time to take off any excess coconut milk. So these are all my coconut milk done. As you can see, I still have some little particles. I'm just going to get my cheesecloth and I will use it to sieve it again to take off any excess shaft from my coconut milk. So you can see I have sieved it with my cheesecloth. So you can see the shaft that came out that you don't want. So you can see how my coconut milk look like, nice and yummy. I can use it to make my coconut rice. I can use it to enjoy my flakes, anything guys. You can use it to make your coconut oil. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you find this recipe helpful. Click on the bell icon so you never miss any of my uploads. Help me to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment for me, and share. Thank you very much. Till I see you again, have a lovely